Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
Science, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Week 7. Day 1 to 3. Our learning objectives is, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to conduct guided survey on the different materials used at home. Now, students, look at the picture and answer the following question later. Students, what do you notice in the picture? Do you have the same environmental issue in your community as shown in the picture? Given this issue in your community, how can you help in addressing this problem? Remember that living in healthy community is what human being needs. Having a healthy lifestyle is the priority among families nowadays. Being healthy is the new trend. People become more aware of living a healthy life. A healthy community makes people well and happy. Now, what are the characteristics of healthy school and community environments? According to the World Health Organization, some of the characteristics of healthy school and community environments are: number 1, clean and safe physical environment. Number 2, meet everyone's basic needs. Number 3, promote social harmony and active involvement of everyone. Number 4, have accessible health services and facilities. Number 5, take part in identifying local problems and local solutions. Number 6, have sustainable use of available resources for all members of the community. And number 7, understand local health and environmental issues. Now, what do you think might be the reason why we still experience environmental issues and concerns despite the different campaigns conducted? Now let's read the passage. The development of measures aimed at lowering the environmental imprint of our domestic activities has increased environmental awareness in families. Waste separation is now commonplace. Standard light bulbs have been replaced with low-energy bulbs, shopping bags are being reused, and there is a better awareness of our energy consumption. However, there are still things in our houses that can be environmentally hazardous without our knowledge. These materials found at our homes are the things being disposed or either properly or improperly. To eradicate these issues and concerns in our environment, we can make a simple survey in our local community. Find out where their issues are coming from. Surveys are effective data gathering techniques that help us get important data fast and effectively. We may acquire precise and important data that can guide our actions and produce positive results by comprehending the aim and methodology of surveys. Now, students, what will happen if these materials are improperly disposed of? What are your solutions to the problem? What are the common materials used at home? How do these materials contribute to the environmental issues and concerns in their local community? Day 4. Learning Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to collect and interpret data on environmental issues and concerns. Now, the teacher will ask the learners about their previous activity, which was all about conducting a simple survey about the materials used at home. Let the learners share his or her experience while doing the activity. The process of reviewing data and drawing pertinent conclusions while utilizing a variety of analytical techniques is known as data interpretation. Researchers can categorize or manipulate and summarize data with the aid of interpretation in order to find answers to important issues. When evaluating data, researcher must also take into account all the possible contributing elements. The purpose of data interpretation is to aid individuals in making meaning of gathered, examined, and presented numerical data. Your analyst teams will have a basis with structure if you have a baseline approach for interpreting data. In fact, certain misaligned objectives may arise if various departments use various techniques to evaluate the same data while having common aims. Different methods may lead to lose time and money owning the repetitive efforts and inconsistent results. Now examine the graph below carefully and answer the following questions. Which household waste has been recycled the most? Which home garbage has the lowest recycling percentage? How much percentage does the paper have in the illustration? And how many recycling household waste contribute to environmental protection? Now, study the data collected and answer the question below. In a school, a group of learners had their Clean and Green project. They were instructed all of the materials from the collected waste had to be categorized in accordance with their classification. Here's the data collected. For the waste classification, we have the recyclable, reusable, and waste. The number of tally is 85, 30, and 55. Now, answer the following questions. Number 1. How many more waste materials were collected than reusable materials? Number 2. Which waste classification has been collected the most? Number 3. What type of waste has been collected the least? And number 4. How can you help as a learner in eliminating improper garbage disposal in your community? Now, interpret the given data and draw a bar graph by following the given instruction. Here is the rubrics for evaluating graph. End of week 7.
Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!